Okay, let's see how you repair those dents on your car. So the device you need, you can buy from Amazon, links at the bottom, but in essence it comes with a load of different plungers and pullers, and the idea is that you stick one of these onto the body using this heat gun which comes with it. The other thing is it comes with these glue sticks which you feed into the gun. You get about 10 of them. They come in different colours. There's black and clear, so depending on the colour of your car they shouldn't show up. These get fed into the back and then you apply the glue onto the plunger, which is key for the repair. This bottle here you can fill up with alcohol. It provides instructions that you spray it on afterwards if there's any residue glue left on, so that you can easily remove it. But I didn't need that on my car, and you'll see later on. So what you do is you put the glue on the plunger itself, and then the big metal device you can see here on the left hand side, that is a device you use to be able to pull away. So here I've set it up. So there's the plunger. You put that over the dent. And imagine as you're undoing it, obviously it would stay in place because it's glued to the car body. It would start pulling that plunger upwards and then hopefully pull the dent out with it. Now, if you've got any chips or anything like that on the dent, that won't obviously fix it. It's more about restoring the car body to its original shape. Okay, now this is quite good because you don't want to be doing it yourself and trying to pull it out. It makes sure, this device, that it keeps it straight and parallel, so it's pulling from the dent. Okay, so let's actually see. So before you do it, try it on an inner door panel first. So the reason you put it on the inner door panel, so I've put a bit of glue and put one of the bits on it. Now, as I've pulled it there, you can see that the glue has come with it. Now, I'm assured there's no paint damage or anything on that inside door. And the reason I'm doing it on the inside door is it cannot be seen. So don't do it on the dent first. You want to make sure for your vehicle that it doesn't leave any damage. Now, you can see that the glue has remained where it is on this one, so it's good to go. So first of all, depending on the indent you've got, you can see that mine is around here. You need to pick the size of now I'm going to go for the smallest one here because that will go around there, and then the idea is once I glue it, pull it out again. Okay, so make sure that you put the glue into the back of the glue gun. This will get very hot here, okay, and then you're getting the one that you want, and after the glue gun has been warmed up for about 5 minutes, you're putting the small blob of glue and then sticking this on to the damage of the car, and then the idea is you're going to pull this out from its dent. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. You put this that way, be careful with fingers. Squidge your blue, so you're pulling the trigger here, smear it around. This is going to dry pretty quickly, so then I'm going to put it on the damage itself. Okay, now that's on that bit of damage, so I'm going to leave that now for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now you put in like that. Okay, make sure it's flat. What you're doing is you're going to pull this whole thing out. Now as you tighten it up, make sure that's flat to the car body. Still there, but not as bad. So let me just show you close up. So just to show you what happened there, so the glue itself didn't stay on the car body, which is quite good, but what it did do is it stays onto the plug itself. So I've just started to pull this away. So what that means is if you can clean this away, then you can spray it with alcohol, it should come off. Now, one thing I'd recommend is, depending on your vehicle, do try it on that inner door pillar to ensure that you're happy how it works. I knew on my car, even if I left it for like 15-20 minutes to dry it and pulled it, the glue would come with the plunger. So I was assured it didn't take any paint or anything with it. But do try that before you do anything. I hope that's helped. Please do like, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.